How to use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script in 10 seconds. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script in literally 10 seconds. Stick with me till the end because I'll also show you how to make your script sound more natural and YouTube friendly. All right, first open up ChatGPT. If you're using the free version, that works fine. But if you're on Pro, the results will be even better. Once you're in, the magic is all in the prompt. Here's what you do. Type something like, write me a YouTube script about, mention you storyline or topic in a casual tone, structured with and a short outro asking viewers to like and subscribe. Let's say your topic is Best Emerging Technologies in 2025. You just enter that and boom! Within seconds, ChatGPT will write you a full script with everything you need, including the hook, transitions, and even a call to action at the end. And if you want to make it sound more like you, just ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in your style. You could say, rewrite this script to sound more energetic and casual, like a 25-year-old talking to friends. You can even go deeper. Want a 60-second version for TikTok? Say, make a short version under 60 seconds for YouTube Shorts. Need bullet points instead of a script? Ask for that, it's really that flexible. So yeah, that's how you use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script in 10 seconds. It's fast, simple, and it frees up your time to actually record or edit your videos. If this helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.